Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. There's some nice trucks here. And today, guys, is the day that we are going to Gatornationals 2025. This is Sunday, March 9th. Now, however, as you guys can see, the weather is kind of crappy. They actually got rained out yesterday. So today usually would be the finals. But I'm pretty sure that they're probably moved to tomorrow because of the fact that they weren't able to perform. What the hell? Why is it not working? That's scary. Hello? Move. Someone? So yeah, I don't know exactly what we're gonna be seeing today. The weather is really not that great, so I'm surprised that they're still gonna run with it like this. I mean, the track is kind of moist. I need to put my seatbelt on. Sorry. Either way, we're gonna be meeting up with someone for breakfast, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over there and have a good time. All right, guys. We just had breakfast at this place for the first time. We watched this place get built over the couple months it was being built, and we got to try it, and honestly, it was pretty good. Now it's time to go watch some freaking fast cars. So let's go, Thunder Lane. Nice platinum, nice. There's a pretty big line of cars. Woo! Man, I wonder if you can hear the cars yet. I'm surprised they're even still running in this weather. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gainesville Raceway. You guys can see it right over there for the 2025 Gatornationals. This is going to be freaking sick. Well, without further ado, I'm gonna spare you guys all this. I'm gonna show you guys when we're actually inside. Real quick, I'll just say that I just heard one of them go down the track, and holy crap, you can feel it from all the way over here. Look at all the RVs we got. It's like some flashbacks from what, 2-3 years ago. I should get something like this, guys. I could live in that instead. Big money. Yeah, a couple $1 million sitting right here.
Oh, easy. That's probably 2 right there.
Jesus.
That's a bad bitch.
Yeah, it is.
I want to go in here and make a right because I want to see who those 3 big bad bitches belong to. I'm curious as hell. Hey, see this here, Jesse? That's called an APU.
Runs it.
The whole truck without the engine being on.
It's like an airplane.
But it runs off the diesel tanks too.
Ah. Man, guys. Those wheels and tires alone are who knows how much money. These trailers. I remember some of these guys. Wow. This is some serious money, guys. Look at the blower. This is freaking sick. Alright, guys. We're gonna make our way to the pits here soon. Oh, he's working on that one in there. Oh, look, there you go. Woo-wee! Only 11,000 horsepower right there. Freaking sick, guys. It's been, I think, 3 years since I've been here last. That's something you don't see every day. Want one?
I want one.
Yeah, a couple $1 million. I can't look. I can't spend money. I can't spend money. I can't spend money. No, I can't. No, I can't. Look at the little one. This should be an older one. Look how cute.
No way.
That's so cool. A 392 Hemi. Nice. That's pretty cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Fit tractor game, and thank you to Fit for helping us with our tractors.
Oh yeah.
And keeping our track clean. I really think
Everybody gets a tractor and they'll be rooting against each other, and someone will feel the horrible pain of defeat.
Can actually be controlled by the operator of the vehicle, and they can control how much pressure it puts down.
We're just waiting on them to clear the track, and then we're gonna go ahead and run again. Yep, yeah, they're televising it. We're on TV. So unfortunately, guys, with this year, it's wet, and so they just said that there's only been 2 cars that have hit 300 miles an hour. I'm guessing either over the entire event or just for today. I'm not sure, but they're struggling to get traction because it's wet out. So I know it rained yesterday too.
Number 3, Frank Hawley, 1982, Funny Car. Few knew what was to come for young driver Frank Hawley and crew chief Austin Coyle as they mowed through the competition at Gainesville in 1982. The famed Chi-Town hustler was known and feared on the match race circuit, but this first national event victory for the team changed that story. Hawley's victory would mark the first of 5 final rounds that season, 3 victories and a world championship. They'd win the Gators again in 1983, as well as the title. This was a true moment that legends were born.
Remember, that's where he's had his problems before. Frank Hawley has been dominating that left-hand lane, and the parachute comes out on Tim Gross's car. He loses as the vibration
Changes require them to pour some new concrete for 1 and 2.
No way. There is no way, dude. That's what that is. Everyone's leaving because it's about to rain. Look, they're all trying to get the cover.
Think what they have been through in the past couple days. Yesterday, they dried the complete track just to come back into rain. These people work very, very hard. And they're unfortunately to continue to do that, but my eyeballs and instincts tell me that we may be doing something else I don't want to talk about.
It's getting cold now. There's a cold breeze.
That's water.
That's a cold breeze. That's the rain right there. Ooh, hello. Gatornationals is fun. Oh, I think it's raining over there already.
Alright, so while we wait out.
Is it raining, Pat? You can see the trees back there. It looks like it's a little bit white. It's pretty much full on raining, you could say. I mean, it's just a really hard drizzle.
we have never seen.
You guys can see down there.
At an NHRA National
Everyone's
Championship event.
leaving.
As amazing as it would seem, the driver gets
A little unfortunate. That's all right. We'll get back to it at some point. Well, we'll get back to it.
Wow. A hellacious scene at the top end of the racetrack, but incredible.
Part of racing. It's raining through the grandstands, dude. No. Oh God. Figured while we're here, while it's raining, might as well go get some merch, right? I'm looking for a sticker so I can put them on the back of my truck. They got nice hats. Steve's looking at stuff. Hell yeah, man. Like I said, figured while we're here, while it's raining, don't miss any racing, go look at some stuff that we could buy. Got some nice shirts too. Yeah, I actually really like these. Wow. Could be time to get a new hat, actually. I do like these a lot. How much are these? We're gonna find out. I'm really thinking about making a bad decision and paying $160 for one of these things, because these are sick, dude. Check these out.
I don't have any of these.
I might have to do it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to do it. All right, guys. So we just got back. We're back to the trucks right now because they're gonna have at least 2 hours before they probably clear the track up. What do you get? No, I didn't get that one. You're gonna have to show me. I'm gonna change in the mind. We went to the merch store to go buy some stuff. I'm super excited for this. I spent like $200. Oops. What'd you get? Let me see. You're on video. That's a nice shirt.
Yeah.
It's a really nice shirt. Hold on.
One more $50 though.
Yeah, well, it's like contacts.
Huh?
It's like contacts, like convention tax.
Take a picture, it's cheaper.
Take a picture. I'm gonna change into my stuff. Oh, here's your sticker.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put mine on if I can.
Yeah, it's too wet almost.
I'm
a towel in here.
I have a rag, I think. I'm gonna put mine on. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and change and take this out, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Now, you're the cameraman. It's already recording. Steve's recording for me. So check this out, guys. We got this one wonderful, beautiful NHRA hat, right? Which actually is really cool because it's the same theme as my USCCA hat. So guns and cars, and I got ponies because I'm gay. Got this.
You heard it here, folks.
Beautiful NHRA shirt, which I think is pretty cool, right? Pretty nice shirt. This was $45. You got like the premium tax of being here and buying things here. Then we got, this is the really cool thing, right? This is a $100 124 scale model of Leah. Was it Pruitt? Is that how you say it?
Leah Pruitt.
Pruitt, yeah. This is her top fuel dragster, and this is a pretty serious model. You can take stuff off of it. I mean, even the little details, the little thing for the blower turns, and the wheels, the rubber wheels in the back that spin. Even the wheelie bar wheel spins. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna put that in the trailer. Needless to say, I spent too much money. I shouldn't have spent all this money, but oh well.
I told him not to.
He did tell me not to. I didn't listen, because
Regrets are for sissies.
that's right. And so don't worry, guys, because I know you guys are like, well, you have one hat with ponies on it. That's ridiculous. So I'm gonna make sure I ruin the other hat with ponies on it too.
He will.
I will. I'm gonna do it when I get back. It's lunchtime. Time for lunch with this person. This f***ing guy. Yeah, look at that shit. It's a pretzel bun too.
Yeah.
Woo! Love it. 128 miles an hour on that one.
There are pipes on this thing, man.
Yeah, no, isn't it?
Sick.
200 right there. 204 miles an hour.
Almost got a blower, that one.
This is a Foley electric. I've seen these on YouTube. Never seen one in person though. Got some cool classics to look at. 427 turbojet. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. That's pretty. Oh, that's the one with the Hellcat swap. I remember seeing this one. That's some cool pro stock stuff. Got another one right here. That is a motor right there. Whew. Yeah. My God. Another one over here. That's pretty. Next to the orange. Very fast bike. Look at, they got the tool set up at the bottom.
Yep. And this goes up, drops the phone on the top.
That's sick. All the cool stuff here. That's awesome. Is that him right there? Yep. So they're going to be resuming at 1:30, which is in about 30 minutes. They got the track being serviced right now. It's nice and sunny out. People have returned back to their seats for the most part. And we're just awaiting, finally seeing our first cars go down the track. When we got here, there was some racing. We didn't see that. We got here a little bit after they started, so see how much content I can get. My phone's at 26%, but yeah, so see how it goes. Yes, we're making progress, guys. The tire stuff, I remember these guys.
Like in the beginning,
Alright guys, we're getting ready. Got the race teams out on the track. Staging lanes is full of funny cars, and We're ready to go. It's like 1:38 right now. We have yet to see a car still.
Are they gonna finish today or not?
Oh, no way. I don't think this is gonna either carry over to tomorrow or something.
Not starting this late.
Yeah, we're all waiting around here. Everyone's cheering and I don't know why.
They're throwing stuff in.
Look how scary that would be. What if he
Oh,
was up there and he fell?
yeah, that shit. Yeah. Oh, look at him. He's hauling ass. Look at him. Yeah. Going the wrong way though. Yeah. He's actually moving on that thing. That's pretty impressive. They're still throwing stuff.
I paid $13 for this shit.
Yo, look. Yeah. That just made my day. That's all I needed. I'm going home.
Oh, they got one.
Now there's a power out.
Clay in round number 2 by virtue of his better ET. Steve Torrance, of course, has lane choice.
Alright. They're about to fire up. There's one fired up. First time in 30 years, huh?
In top field, Steve Torrance by 0.02 of a second. Smith.
Guys, I'm trying to get a spot at the end of the drag strip here. That is insane. They didn't even hit 300. Holy shit. That's crazy. Racing each other. Very cool. Look at the size of this one, right? Look at the size of this one. It's massive, dude. Look at those freaking tires are like a foot taller than I am. That is insane. That is crazy. Sheesh, look at them rigs. Some really nice stuff in here, man. There's a whole bunch of cool freaking trucks and shit. It's a nice trailer. I need something like that. I need something like that. Wow, it's about to rain. I swear I just saw lightning. Yummy. Nice. 1,500 horsepower in these cars. Power windows still. Dodge Challengers.
It's going to be Ray Nash.
Stock and super gas. Lee Hartman in his challenge.
NHRA, the two-time back-to-back world champ, on the right. No, he does not. Gatornationals strikes first with low ET of the race. Dolphin 2024 victorious, a 367 beats a 368 in the quickest and fastest side-by-side run of the day. And top fuel eliminator, Sean Langdon was 0.46 on the tree to go 368.4, and he left second and 65 of them in top fuel dragster. You saw the margin of victory, about a third of the length of a top fuel car.
won 329 miles per hour. And
Everyone's
Joe
leaving us
Serena
today.
and Dean Marinas.
So there's the funny cars and all that stuff. Well, friends, that was it. We are done at Gatornationals. I am about to leave. I will, however, when I get back home to the trailer, I'm going to show you guys everything I got. But for now, goodbye, Gatornationals. It's been an absolute pleasure. My phone's on like 1%, so I have to kind of leave it plugged in. But it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you, Gatornationals. It has been freaking awesome. This is the second time I've went, and I'll probably go again. We have definitely made a lot of really cool memories here. I will see you, Gatornationals, another year. Let's go back to the trailer, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. Okay, so this is kind of funny. I need to show this first. I bought a funny car, right? And I'll reveal to you which funny car I bought. But I'm over here, and I'm trying to put the body on it, and I realized that the engine, whoever mounted the entire engine with like the zoomies, this whole part right here, right? All of that was crooked. And so I'm like, oh great, my freaking $130 model is screwed up. So what do? I wrench on it. I literally take this, and my idea was one of these would probably fit perfectly in that little space right there. And guess what? It's perfect. What did I do? Held onto that, and I literally cranked it to the left, broke it free. It's still on there, so it's not like I broke it entirely, but something was, no, see, now it's stuck. It's a perfect fit, I told you. Whatever it was, there was a glue or something holding it. They glued it wrong. I've pretty much perfectly straightened it out now. It's freaking awesome. So I literally worked on it with a tool. I fixed it, guys. I'm a freaking funny car mechanic. Well, guys, I went ahead and I put them on this beautiful shelf. This is like a week or two from the last time I actually recorded. I put them on this really beautiful shelf here. Look how cool that is. That's sick. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was super fun. Gatornationals, thank you for another amazing year. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And also, since I am recording this video about 2 weeks after, and a lot of people have subscribed to me since then from a video I just was a part of, an accident, right? I'm an actor, guys, okay? I'm an actor. Thank you guys for joining, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. It's freaking awesome that you guys joined. I'm very grateful for it. And as always, stay freaking awesome.